Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Apple Intelligence isn't showing up on your iPhone, iPad or Mac. Follow these steps to fix it. Apple Intelligence only works on certain devices, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max or any iPhone 16 model. iPad, iPad Pro, M1 or later, iPad Air, M1 or later, iPad Mini 17 Pro or newer, Mac, any Mac with an M1 chip or later. For this, first of all, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option and go to the software update option. From there, if any updates is available, just update the phone. Then the next step is go to the settings, tap the general option, scroll down and find the language and region option and tap it. Set region to United States. You can change it back later. Then check your storage. For this, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option. From there, then go to the iPhone storage option. From there, you need at least 4 GB of free space. Delete apps, photos or videos if necessary. Then for restart your device, press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the logo appears, slide down to force restart. Then after following the steps, Apple Intelligence should appear in your settings. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.